Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install PIP version 3.10 in Python. So first of all, we will type this one. To get it installed, okay, it will show that install packages. And you can just copy this link, I have already pasted, and it will start, as we can see over here. Okay. Now, we will type python get give it just a little time and it will start working. Okay, as we can see, it's already getting installed. Collected packages, PIP. Wait till it's finished. So if this video has helped you, please hit the like and subscribe button so we can see you in our next video. Thank you.